makes it go choo-choo. That's your gas pedal. This is kind of your transmission. It's forward and reverse. All the way down forward, all the way back reverse. And then we'll play with that here a little bit. Brake. This is your train brake. So this basically controls our whole train here. And then this is just engine brake. So we won't be using the engine brake.
We're just using the train brake.
Yep, we'll got that swap. Cylinder cocks here. So you see the steam come out from underneath the cylinders.
Yep.
When we get going, we want to have that blow out, getting water condensation out of the cylinders. And then we're good. There's about 2 revolutions. And then we pull that back and shut off.
Okay.
That's what you're doing it.
So you're letting it go out, and then as we get going about 2 revolutions,
yeah, about 10 feet, you'll pull it back.
Okay.
And then most important is
the whistle.
Yeah.
2 to go forward, 3 for reverse, 1 to stop, and 2 long, 1 short, 1 long.
And we have no crossings here, so you blow the whistle. You bought the steam for the whistle, so it's your deal.
Yes!
All right, so go ahead and pull that, tilt that up, and unlock the up here.
Oh, this one? Okay,
back.
Okay.
Push that all the way forward.
Okay.
You ready? Go ahead and give me 2 toots on the whistle. All right, so push this off, that's the train brake. On that, go ahead and push this off, that's the engine brake. Down.
Okay, down.
All in. There you go. All right, so I'll release.
Okay.
And then go ahead and gently pull back on the throttle. It doesn't take a whole lot. You'll see the steam coming out the cylinders. Alright, there you go, that's good. Alright, go ahead and pull your cylinder off back. Alright, you can blow the whistle if you want. Go ahead and pull back on the throttle a little more. You want to pull about my finger thickness at a time.
Right there.
Get a little bit more on it if you want.
A bit more.
There you go.
Okay.
So we'll get up. We'll run about 15 miles an hour. That's pretty much what we'll run the whole time on here.
Okay.
So it's about 3 miles, give or take.
And then 3 miles back.
Yep.
Okay.
So once you get to about 10, we'll pull this back about 1 inch.
Okay.
Down there. So you can go ahead and pull back on the throttle. Good, pull the throttle back a little bit more.
A little bit more.
There you go. We'll go it. All right. And then go ahead and pull the reverser back about 1 inch on the quadrant there. Yep, right there. That's good. Got our pocket to us a little bit.
Yeah. Because this is what this is a power reverser, right?
Yep. Yep. Compared to like a Johnson bar or an old engine, to be unpowered. This is a power reverse air operating.
How much the cylinder is going back and forth, basically.
Yeah. Yep. So we're getting up to close about 15.
Okay.
What you do is you close the throttle just a little bit. All right, that's good. Let's try and see what that does for us. Go through the yard here. It's a little bit of an upgrade, but it's not bad. It's fairly level on the track.
So he's telling me it's about a 1% out here?
Yeah, we'll get, on the other end of the railroad, we'll get 1.5%. Like I said, we're not bad here. Once you get the train moving, all the momentum going, all you're doing is putting enough steam in to keep that momentum going.
Oh, okay.
You're not losing anything still. And you can adjust that. If you need to, so this goes in and out, and then it also rotates back and forth.
Oh, okay, I see.
You can kind of move it around.
Yeah.
That's your rear view mirror. Straightening out my other stuff.
I'm thinking of trying to bonder into coming up here Sunday morning and we can ride the Dover car. I got to preserve my hours of service for Sunday night. I've had the great runs in the morning. You're leaving an hour, I've had it 2 hours earlier when the sun's coming up through the fog and 20 degrees cooler. You know what I mean? And I thought, but it'd be kind of looking to move it back and I don't. Well, how late you staying tonight? I got to get the 365 and the 2-rail. The guidelines on me.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm trying to think if I got to get the 365 in